In what might turn out to be the only exciting thing to happen in the 450 motocross races this year, apparently Jeffery Herlings wants to race U.S. National at Ironman, which personally, I would absolutely love. Jeffery Herlings is easily one of the best dirt bike riders, motorcycle riders on the planet. Obviously, with all of the mxgp wins he has and titles and everything else. It's just a question of if he can. According to Lewis Phillips, who is a pretty notable or pretty reputable reporter on these kind of things, he posted on the 16th of July saying, quote, Hurling's at Ironman, it's possible. Somebody replied to him saying, da-da, and he said, Jeffrey wants to race, put it that way. Obviously, this is kind of up to KTM and how his contract works, because him coming over here and racing Ironman does absolutely nothing for his GP career or his GP points or anything. This was a pure, like, a few years ago, like he did when he raced against Eli Tomac and he came over and did one. I think it'd be great, because personally, again, Jeffery Hurling's absolutely insanely fast on a motorcycle, and let's just say our 450 class is not exactly the most exciting thing around this year, so it would be fun to see if he is, one, healthy after returning from his neck injury, if he is fully up to speed and, can do it, if him and Jet Lawrence actually can put on a show, because it looks like this year nobody else is going to touch Jet. Obviously, Chase is trying, but you can tell he's riding faster than he possibly can keep up, but that's not the point. In the comments, I want you to tell me, do you think, well, one, do you think this is going to happen? Because, again, this has to be a thing that is agreed upon, and he can come over and do it, and, timing has to work, and injuries and all that kind of stuff. Two, if it does happen, do you think he's going to be a competition for Jet, or is it going to be like one of those fun things where he comes over and he races and he's like a top 5 or, a podium guy, but he's not chasing for the victory? I don't know. I think he'll be at least podium guy if he's healthy again and not, injured or whatever. Doesn't have a little nagging thing going on. But in the comments, you tell me. Where does he finish? Do you think it's going to happen? If it does he give Jet a competition, or is it just going to be fun to watch, whatever it is? And if it does happen, are you going to go? But as you do, go down there and comment. And as you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.